Most people don't usually need to dive into their computer's BIOS, but every now and then, something goes wrong that requires controls straight from the motherboard. If you're on Windows and have no idea how, this guide is for you. Before we begin, we'll need to check what sort of BIOS you have on your Windows system. On Windows 10, tap the Windows key, type in System Information, and tap Enter. On the window that appears, check what's written next to BIOS mode. If it reads UEFI, you can access the BIOS by tapping the Windows key, typing BIOS, then tapping Enter. Once the settings window pops up and loads, click Restart Now under Advanced Options. A blue menu screen will eventually appear. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings. Click on Restart, and you'll load into your BIOS. If that method doesn't work for you, or the setting reads Legacy, you'll need to shut down your PC, then turn it back on while continuously tapping your BIOS key. While this is usually the Escape, F1, F2, F8, or the Delete key, if you aren't sure, you'll need to check with your manufacturer's website. Googling your laptop or desktop model followed by BIOS key usually helps as well. If you still can't boot in your BIOS, you might need to bypass Windows 10's Fast Startup. To do this, tap in your Windows key, type in Power Options, then hit Enter. On the window that appears, click on Additional Power Options on the right, then on Choose what the power buttons do on the left. If the option to turn on Fast Startup is checked but grayed out, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck that setting, then click on Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering your BIOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy it.